Hello, welcome. How can we use our mobile webcam, mobile camera as a webcam in laptop or PC? Because the quality of this camera is better than laptop or PC. As you see, using mobile camera as webcam in PC, this is it. At first, download and install DroidCam wireless webcam. This is an application on Android, Google Play. This is link. You will open on Google Play this application, this app. After this, you will install in your Windows on your laptop DroidCam Silent to connect between this mobile and PC with Wi-Fi. So you will install this application from this link. I can show you. This is website for DroidCam Silent for Windows. You will download and install on your Windows, and this is Google Play DroidCam application on mobile. You see on website. So when you install these two, return 3, open DroidCam app in mobile. You will open this. So I opened it, and this app give us an IP number. We will see this IP number and write this IP on program in Windows. So I will open DroidCam in Windows. You see this? Yes, this is DroidCam Silent in Windows. When you open this, there is an IP number here. We write this IP number from mobile. Yes. Write this number on Windows. And this is port. There is it. So we will only use video, audio not from mobile, only video. Our camera will come from mobile, not audio. Audio is from PC, laptop. So this is ready. We are clicking start button, and now you see our camera from mobile is working. Yes, so okay. Now our camera is on Windows, and there is no problem. You can use this application. Yes, when you download and open this application, if ask for camera and microphone, you will allow it. And as I said, IP address, we write it on PC and laptop like this, and we clicked and started, and we saw camera. We can see our mobile camera is from in Skype or YouTube. When you open their webcam list, you will see DroidCam name. In YouTube or Skype or any program application in Windows, you can choose this window with this camera like this. You will select and use it. So thank you very much.